So, guys, we have here today with me Tamim Ansari. Incidentally, Tamim Ansari attended the Teach Online program with us from Chennai, and I understand he's launched his course on computer hardware and networking. And in just 1 month, month of March of this year, he has been able to earn 2 lakh rupees through this course. So, congrats, Tamim.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you would not be the right word because I mean I have to. I mean I couldn't find any other word. I mean other than thank you. Okay. So
Okay.
so it was really a wonderful thing that I met you and I enrolled into that program.
Yeah.
So thank you so much once again.
My pleasure. So, how do you feel now, Tamim, after having launched your course and also earned 2 lakh rupees in just 1 month's time?
Yeah, this is something I mean which I was expecting, but I mean I didn't believe initially that I mean things would happen. I said because I mean it was almost like a vague thing of launching this program online. Because I mean whenever I used to go for the program launching to any colleges or thing, because I was a offline
Trainer.
training trainer.
Uh, uh.
So I used to have a lot of negotiations, renegotiation. I mean, whenever I launch a program or probably the quotation, re-verification, everything. I mean, that was really a totally different thing.
I can
So,
understand.
so,
I
so,
did that
so
for a couple
this,
of years earlier. Yeah.
okay. I think everyone would have to follow this hard path so that I mean they can achieve this. And now I actually feel that I mean I've got a new pair of wings,
Mm, mm.
so which can help me fly. And this is really an I'm in the world of excitement now.
I can understand.
So
Yeah.
this is really wonderful experience.
Uh,
Yes.
Great. Good to know that.
Mm.
So, before launching this course online, what were you
Yes.
doing earlier?
I said earlier, I mean, I was a full-time trainer for some time. I was working for a lot of corporates internationally. That was a multinational company. That was
Mm.
way back in 2006 to 2011.
Okay.
And then I had the opportunity to come back and work for a IT company over here. I was a corporate trainer. I was handling communication and networking, troubleshooting for all the same domain. I mean, which I was into.
Mm, mm.
Okay. And later to that, I mean, I became a freelance trainer because I mean that was into night shifts and I had a toll on my health. So I
Okay.
thought, I mean, let me leave away this night shift. And since
Mm.
I have a good skill and a good domain, so let
Yeah.
me start the freelance option. And that was where I mean I did a mistake, or it was actually really a challenge for me. Okay.
Mm, mm, mm.
And I thought that I mean I'll get a lot of opportunities, but I mean the market outside was so competitive.
Right.
There were a lot of my gurus who were having unproductive days on because they couldn't get a lot of training opportunities. But still, being a newbie, the training industry is so unorganized that I mean whoever comes new, they give one or two opportunities at a low
Correct.
cost, and once they gain some value, and when we charge higher, the opportunity goes to someone who's new again.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Okay, so I used to be moved from pillar to post, or probably I mean, come another day, we don't have the training program, or probably we don't have the time as of now. Our
Mm,
syllabus are tight, the productivity goes low.
mm,
All
mm.
these things, I mean, would be communicated. So I was into the freelance option. I mean,
Right.
to answer
Right.
your question.
So, before enrolling in the course, were you
Mhm.
aware of this opportunity of offering courses online?
Yes, yes. I mean, since I worked as a corporate trainer, there were a lot of
Uh,
e-learning module. I mean, which the company used to design.
right.
Okay, so we used to design a lot of interactive videos where the content used to flow on the video, and they have to answer the question, and that would help
Mm,
them to certify and
mm,
move on to the next level. Or probably whenever there's a new product launch, we used to design all this course because
mm.
we had centers, I mean, across the country.
Right.
And it was practically very difficult, and commercially also it was not that viable to
Right.
fly down a trainer to that particular center. So
Right.
the concept of e-learning was already known to me,
Uh,
but the kind of people I mean I was around, and the kind of uh, I would say that I mean that was a myth, I mean, which was actually being in my
mm,
mind, because
mm,
the amount of investment that the company invested on creating all those videos,
mm,
and the team that involved,
mm,
the design team, the development
mm.
team, I never thought that, I mean, I could create my course online.
Okay. Okay. So how do you now compare the current opportunity of earning through the online course vis-a-vis the earlier opportunity where you have to travel and deliver training?
No, I used to be away from my family for almost 2 to 3 weeks,
Right.
depending upon the course content, because this technical program, I mean, we cannot complete in one day. I
Right.
have to prepare the base. I have to give concept after concept, and then it used to be a 200 or 250 hours program that would
Okay.
go for almost a month.
Mm.
And if it is within Chennai city, I used to travel, come back, I mean, that would kill my entire day. And if
Right.
it is outstation, you don't have to question. I had to beg someone to take care of my family for the provisions,
Right.
or probably, I mean, I have to
Right.
get all the provisions advanced.
Right. Right.
And even during mid of the training program, I used to get calls from my family people on, please help me with this or do with that. In the sense, I couldn't actually focus on the training program also. And I really have, like any other father, I mean, I love my children.
Correct.
And this
Obviously.
25 days of being separated from them,
Mm.
after 1 week or two, one or the other would fall ill,
Right. Right. Right.
just because of the separation. And they're not, because, I mean, the kids are very young.
Mm.
Okay, they feel the boredom, or probably they miss me a lot, and then they fall
Mm.
ill.
Correct.
So that was really a, what do we say,
Mm.
totally a paining situation, where I used to go to a different city, but I couldn't help it because I need to
Mm.
earn for them.
Correct. Correct. I
I
can
had to
understand.
go. I had to go, and I have to go and do that. So even
Yeah.
though
Yeah.
I didn't like that,
So how has that changed now with this online course?
this is really a wonderful thing. I mean, internet has brought everything, everyone closer,
Right.
and I'm able to call them and say that, I mean, whatever I did as a faculty over there, I have
Mm.
the entire module on online now.
Correct.
Okay, the students were so excited.
Mm.
And they said, okay, give me the link. And
Mm.
they actually never asked me how much is the course.
Okay.
Okay, so initially some 5 6 people, I mean, who are well known to me and who are
Mm.
in constant touch, I approached
Mm.
them because I knew that I would be able to make them understand the value
Correct.
of the concept. Okay,
Right.
so
Right.
initially I had all my list ready initially, whom to approach first, and based
Mm.
on them, I mean, how they could go
Mm.
ahead.
Right.
Okay, so
Right.
initially I contact some 20 25 people, I mean,
Mm.
who are very interested to know what how things happen.
Right.
And I gave them this offer. They said, I mean, it's really very good.
Mm.
And to add to that, initially when I launched the course, I mean, I gave it free for some people to test it.
Okay. Good
Okay,
strategy to spread
yes,
the word of mouth.
exactly. They said,
Yeah.
I mean, you just have to spend the time, and you just have to compare how it is in the
Mm. Mm.
real training as well as virtual training, and
Mm.
give me some
Mm.
inputs on whatever is missing, or probably if you don't understand some concept, because I want to develop my course before I could actually go and hit the market.
Correct.
So these people, they actually helped me, and these people were the super minds in the training batch.
Mm.
Because, I mean, I mean, as it happens in every other training program,
Mm.
these are the students, I mean, who were the last benchers, and their heads
Mm.
always used to be in their mobile. So whenever
Right.
I say a concept, they
Uh,
type in Google and say if whatever I say is right.
right.
Okay, they
Right.
used to verify me with
Mm.
Google.
Right. Right. Right.
Okay, so I caught these people, and then they were really helpful. They gave a wonderful feedback, and that helped me to
Mm.
develop my course.
Right. Great.
Yes.
So before you attended my program, the Teach
Mm.
Online program,
Yes.
you attended a free introductory session. You remember
Yes.
that?
Exactly. Yes.
So what was your impression when you attended that introductory session before enrolling in the program with me?
Okay, because, I mean, the way you conducted the introductory program is, initially you created a demand. This is what I also tell during my training program. I call a concept called as a DFAB. Okay,
Mm.
that would we would learn in any training or sales pitch. Okay, because
Right.
I was
Right.
into sales for a few years of my career. Okay,
Right.
so
Okay.
initially when you want to deliver something or give something, create a demand for it. You
Mm.
listed out all the UGC website,
Yeah.
AICTE,
Yeah.
Google, all the top people who were telling that, I mean, digital training program is the next happening thing in the future.
Right.
So and even I also understood that. Okay.
Mm,
And I also knew about it earlier, but I mean, as I said earlier in the previous statement, I
mm,
thought that I mean that will involve a lot of capital and a lot of minds and a lot of expertise to design a
mm.
course online.
Right.
But later on, I mean, when you said on the flow of the program, you said that I
Mm,
mean you have to do this, you have to do that, and the
mm.
other thing which got connected to you is even I'm also a maths physics chemistry student.
Okay.
My underground was chemistry major, and I had maths and physics as ancillary,
Okay.
and I was able to relate. And even I'm a PG HR
Okay.
postgraduate.
So a lot of
Okay,
similarities then.
a lot of similarities. Then I said, I mean, when this Bhaskar Karampudi can do, I
Yeah.
also have studied the same thing, and
Obviously.
I also have worked on all these HR
Yeah.
concept and everything.
Mm,
So
mm.
definitely, even I'll be able to do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
so everything aligned together, and there were a lot of comparative statements. I mean, which I did.
Mm,
Okay, so he has done this, he has done this, he has done
mm.
this, and even the flow of the training program where you said, I mean, you can shoot videos like a professional, because I
Correct.
mean, I was in the mindset that I need to hire a video camera,
Videographer.
videographer, or probably a
Right.
cameraman to
Right.
shoot, and he
Right.
will charge for the editing. And when you
Mm.
told about this tool, and
Uh,
that too, I mean, you offered the tool for free.
right.
Okay, so that was the
Right.
and many other tools, I mean, which you gave as a
Mm,
package.
mm, mm.
So all this actually motivated me to get into the program.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And if I were to ask you, what are the three things
Hmm.
that you learned through the program with us, with me,
Okay.
which helped you launch your own course online? What would those three things be?
Three things. I mean, I would like to reiterate on what I said. Developing a course is not at all difficult.
Mm, mm.
Okay. Editing and shooting and editing videos, any kid can do.
Okay.
Because
Right.
after coming out from the program, I believe in learning while teaching. Because I mean,
Mm,
when you teach more, you learn more.
right.
So I started teaching my daughter, I mean, who's in fifth, sixth standard now, and even she was able to do a lot of changes in the video.
Okay.
So then I felt that I have wasted 30 years of my life.
Okay.
I felt I should have met you long back.
The
So,
universe
so, so,
decides anyway. Universe has a plan for all
yeah,
of us.
yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So this was
Mm,
one thing, and I had a couple of businesses which I did before, and I had to shell out huge money in designing and developing websites.
okay.
Okay, and that one thing it was totally blown out of my mind. I said, you
Mm,
said WordPress is most of the templates are free. WordPress is very easy where you can design, because I actually had to follow my developer for weeks
mm,
together to
mm.
make one small alphabet change on the picture that I uploaded.
I know that happened with me when I launched my first company 2006. For every
Okay,
small change, I had to go back to this guy who was managing and maintaining our website. But then
okay,
2009, after I discovered this WordPress, I realized there's no dependency now. You do whatever you
exactly.
want, and then within the flick of an eye, blink of an eye, you can actually make any changes on your site.
Exactly, and this guy, I mean, he was boasting on all this and making it feel as if, I mean, it is like
I know.
a totally different task. Then I said,
Uh,
okay, it could be a different task, because I mean, he was talking things which were, though I was into hardware training, hardware and networking,
yeah.
I didn't go to the software part.
Right. Right.
Okay. He said, I mean, I have to change this, and when I change this, your website will be down for 2 days.
Uh,
All this frightening and threatening thing, and now I can understand how he made money by fooling people.
okay.
Okay,
Right.
because I make a small change, the very next second it gets updated on the online.
Correct. Correct.
So it was only a matter of seconds.
Right.
So knowledge is something, I mean, which is which everyone have to gain, and probably, I mean, so that, I mean, all these kind of people, I mean, they're out of the market. I really
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
want to deal anymore with all these people. And
Correct.
and my request to is, I mean, take this to the maximum people,
Yeah.
give the knowledge to them, empower people,
Obviously. Obviously.
so that, I mean, we get lot many brilliant ideas out into
True.
the market.
True.
Because, I mean, just because of all this inhibitions or obstacles,
Mm,
people are not coming out.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when you make all this platform easy and free, there are a lot of new talents, I mean, which can come into the market.
True. So to summarize, that means there are three things. The three things, as I understand from what you explained, one, it has now become easy for you to develop the course. Number
Yes.
two, you are able to actually record, edit, and produce the videos.
Yes.
The third one is you are able to manage your own website. No
Own
dependency on a
website.
website designer. So these are the three
Yes.
things.
Yes, and to add to it, all the animation videos.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I thought, I mean, I have to spend close to 500 or 1,000 for any one animated video. But that actually has what do we say, made things easy, because I mean, a lot of tools online. You have
Mm,
all the things ready.
mm,
Go buy one software for
mm,
or
mm.
pay for 1 or 2 months. Get
Yeah.
everything ready. Plan
Yeah.
your days.
Yes.
Okay, and then get out of the subscription.
Correct. Correct.
So in a matter of some 1,500 or 3,000 rupees, I mean, you can get all your animation done, and then
Exactly.
plan for the next animation after some 3 or 4 months, or after some 6 months. Get everything ready, get all the feedback from your people, plan everything, go
Exactly.
online, pay,
Yeah.
do, and come out.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
and lot many other things.
Yeah.
Lot many
I
other
know.
things. Yeah.
So how did you decide if, which course to offer? Because often my participants, as you know, your colleagues also sometimes keep asking me. They keep telling me that they're not sure which course to offer first. They're unable to decide which course they should create and put up online. How did you choose which course you should offer?
Okay, even I had this dilemma on what course that I should do, because I was into soft skills, and I'm a British Council certified IELTS trainer. I also
Okay.
train on IELTS,
Okay.
then I
Great.
train on spoken English, then
Oh.
I train on Microsoft Office suite, MS
Okay.
Office packages.
Okay.
So and I'm a construction safety and food safety auditor and trainer.
Oh, is it? So I
Yes.
guess you will now be creating courses for every one of them.
Yes, so those are the pipeline, because I mean, I
Okay.
actually wanted to add value to people.
Mm, mm,
Because I mean, as I see you, and as I am developing myself, one
mm.
person cannot be restricted to one particular field.
Correct.
Okay, so since I'm into various other field now, because based on the career, I mean, I've known so many other things,
Yeah.
and why not people learn other options, or things which they're passionate about.
Correct.
Okay, so when I mean, I studied all the Bloom's taxonomy and all the other things. I mean, that you said initially, the course outline. I started off with the safety management and industry readiness for ITI students, because I mean, I
Okay.
trained some 500 to 1,000 students of an ITI in Chennai.
Mm, mm,
Okay, I designed a complete concept,
mm.
and then I realized that, I mean, those students, I mean, they are studying there for free.
Correct.
Okay, and they won't be able to pay me much, but still I have those courses in the pipeline, but
Right.
I wanted to launch at a subsidized rate.
Mm, mm.
Okay, and then initially I need money to manage my family and myself.
Correct.
Then I decided on the latest technology or latest things, I mean, which I'm doing now, because I've been to a lot of engineering colleges
Mm.
where they shell out huge amount of money as fees, as well as the capitation fees, to enroll the courses. Because I mean, one engineering student who comes out of the college, he would have
Mm.
already spent 6 to 8 lakhs.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, and probably spending out 5,000 or 6,000 for a program which can get them an assured job in a company.
Mm,
Definitely they
mm.
would go for it.
Right. Right.
Okay, then I decided that, I mean, my target student are computer science and engineering students,
Okay. Okay.
who want a job which are trending in the market now.
Mm, mm.
Okay, then I decided that cybersecurity is one thing, I mean, which has a very good opportunity now. And to learn cybersecurity, they need to know the basis of computers and computer networking.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
and I also analyzed that there are a lot of courses available on these domain,
Mm.
not much in Tamil, my
Okay.
local language, and my
Mm,
mother tongue. Okay,
mm.
so I decided to start this program in Tamil language for Tamil students, to start with my state first.
So your course currently is offered in Tamil language.
Tamil language, yes.
Wow, that's another advantage you have now then. Right?
Exactly. That's right.
Good, good. This is something that the other participants in our program also should understand and realize, that though English is the common medium of communication across the globe,
Mm, yes.
there is enough demand for regional languages. So
Exactly.
Tamim has
That's
created the
huge.
course in Tamil language for computer hardware networking. And imagine in 1 month, if you earn 2 lakh rupees, look at what's going to happen in the future. On an average, 2 lakh rupees a month. And I understand that you are currently charging how much? 2,500 per student?
2,500, yes. 2,500, yes.
Okay. So you have about 70 to 80 people who have
70,
enrolled.
80 students, yes.
Okay. Which also means that, do you intend to continue to offer it the same fee? Do you have plans to
No.
increase the?
I could never
Just
do
curious.
that.
I'm just asking.
Yes. No, I actually scale it up to 5,000 or at a later date. I mean, I plan to give a lot of value additions to the course and
Yeah.
increase it to 7,000, 7,500.
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's the way to go.
Yeah.
Right? Because the perception is also there in the mind of the learners that if the fee is very less, maybe the course content is not so good. This could
Yes.
be another angle to that. So
Exactly.
maybe the day you charge 5,000 rupees in another 1 or 2 months time, maybe you will be able to add, and as you were saying, more content that you add or more concepts you will add. At 5,000 rupees per
Exactly.
student, if you're able to get that 70, 80 students per month, I think you will quickly
Three
reach
and a half,
about 3.5 to 4 lakh
3.5,
rupees a
4
month.
lakhs. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that should be the plan, definitely coming 1 or 2 months time. So
Okay.
what other courses are you planning to launch? Anything else in the pipeline? Sorry, I know you mentioned 1 or 2, but I thought I'll ask this
Yes.
question again.
Fine. I've actually started floating few videos in YouTube now on Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel and
Okay.
Word.
Okay.
Okay, and I've started sharing all this with my students and asked them to give them feedback and comments on these.
Okay.
Okay, so my next immediate course would be Microsoft Office package
Okay.
in Tamil exclusively
Okay. Okay.
with all the Tamil annotations and everything. I'm actually on the process of that.
Wonderful.
And next in the pipeline is IELTS because I've actually invested a lot on that to get a certification from British Council. And though I have taken the amount, but still I'm not confident because I mean what I feel is I should at least take 5 to 6 times of what I have invested on the training program.
Right. Right.
And I've actually taken out on what I've invested on your program. I'm
I
happy
know.
about it.
I know.
Okay,
Good.
and this
Yeah.
this IELTS training program, I mean, I did not take much, so I'm actually planning on that. The Microsoft thing, I did not invest on much because I mean that was my day-to-day activity, and I was into using Microsoft Office package. I mean, since the time I had my new first computer, that was in
Okay.
96, 97. So
Okay.
since then, I'm using all the Microsoft packages. So I'm actually well versed with that. So I want to train them on that.
Right. Right. Right.
And then the next program would be IELTS because I mean there are a lot of good minds I mean which are there and they could actually get good opportunities abroad, and the only thing that is blocking them is the language
Correct.
immigration language test. So
Correct.
if I like how you said, if I break that myth of English is just a language and not knowledge, okay, so definitely I mean a lot of people I mean who can earn more.
Correct. Correct.
So I actually want to launch that course next, and following to that, I've actually asked many of my other ex-colleagues to develop course content on the food safety and other construction site safety because I actually don't want to take everything into my head.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
so they also agree to develop course. It would be on a mutual agreement basis because
Obviously.
I've actually showed them my platform, what I have designed, and said, I mean, you can have your courses over here. Okay, and based on your courses, whatever is your take, and some will be my take.
Right.
So
Right. Good approach.
because they are in the industry now, and they know what is the actual trend which is happening. Because I mean, it's been a long time since I came out of that industry, so I would be giving them fairy tales about the industry.
Right.
So I want the
Right.
person who is working now to develop the course
Yeah.
program,
Yeah.
and I can help them to launch it. I already have a database, and they also have the database. It
Wonderful.
would be like cross selling.
Right.
Once the person comes in, because I can see your website. A lot of appealing courses which
Correct.
are coming
Correct.
up. So
Correct.
if they come for one course and if they see it, it's like a menu card.
Obviously.
I
Obviously.
go for Italy. If I say biryani, definitely I would opt that.
Correct. Correct.
So adding a lot
Yeah.
of programs into the portal is what I'm focusing on in future. Because if I tend to do it, I will take years together.
Right.
Okay, if different people work properly in the next 3 months,
More
I can
courses
launch
can be created.
Yes,
Correct.
more courses can be created.
Correct. Yeah.
Fine. So this is what I
So
mean. I planned.
yeah. So for this year, what is your earnings target? I'm sure you'd have
Yes.
had some plan in mind.
Yes. Initially, I mean, I focused on settling off my debts first because I mean I've got close to some because I did a lot of trial and errors previously.
Right.
I
Right.
ventured into a lot of different businesses and I had a lot of debts. So my debt account as of now is to 25 lakhs.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so I want 30 or 35 lakhs where I can close away all my debts and have 10 lakhs as my disposable amount,
Yeah.
and I want to have a positive balance in my bank.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I want to give away and all my debts
Yeah.
which I had, and make all those people happy because I've
Mm.
been carrying it for years now.
I know. I know.
And even with their prayers, I mean, once they receive their
Mm.
long pending amount,
Right.
definitely I believe that I mean all their prayers will help me to make more money in future. So
Correct.
so I'm
Correct.
focusing on somewhere close to 35 lakhs by end of this year.
Okay. Wonderful. Great.
Wonderful.
And what one suggestion would you want to give to people, the other participants who are currently undergoing the same course with us? What is that one single suggestion? Where do you think these guys should actually focus more? What should they do? What is it that they should keep in mind?
uh, uh, Believe in the talent and skill that you have and be disciplined.
Yeah.
Discipline is very much required for anything that you do.
Correct.
Because there are a lot of programs, I mean, which are available. We also enroll into a lot of programs, but unless
Mm.
you maintain a proper routine and then
Mm.
you implement whatever you've learned,
Yeah.
attending courses will not do any good to you.
Correct. Taking action is
And
important, is what you're
taking
saying.
action is very important,
Yeah.
and that too you have to be religiously following whatever you do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And trust testimonials, I mean, which you
Mm. Mm.
come across, because I
Mm.
mean people, I mean, they simply don't boast because I mean everyone have had a tough passage in their life.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. and
Correct.
and once they come across something, I mean, which can definitely elevate them to a next level,
Mm.
definitely, I mean, that is your stepping stone, and if you wait to experience everything in your lifetime, you'll be wasting time.
Correct. So what you're saying is jump into action today.
Jump into
Start
action
doing
today.
it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Just do it, like how Nike says, just do it.
yeah, yeah. That's the right thing to say actually, because I know many participants, even after they attend different training programs, including our own program, they
Mm.
actually don't take action. They just keep attending more and more programs without implementing their learning. So obviously, only when we start implementing, we'll see the results. A good thing that you
Exactly.
mentioned.
And to add to it, as I said earlier, when
Mm.
you invest in any program, ensure that you want to get revenue out of the program, return
Obviously,
on investment. Probably, I mean, you
obviously.
pay some 20,000.
Mm.
Ensure that in the next 6 or 10 months, or probably in 1 year, I will
Mm.
get 2 lakhs out of what I have learned.
Correct. Correct.
Unless you have this in mind, it's just like, I mean, whatever you're thrown out.
Obviously,
Yes.
obviously. And just to share with you, I myself keep attending programs online, offline. I'm sure I shared that in your batch when you attended.
Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
spend adequate amount of investment for my own learning every year. I attend programs
Mm.
online, I attend programs offline, and I know this investment has to actually result in revenue ultimately for us. Learning
Exactly.
has to some way benefit us financially. Obviously, that's the intention
Yes.
that we enroll in programs.
Mhm.
And I know whatever course that I'm able to offer today, I've put in that effort, learned myself, and then created a course offering to people. And as you rightly said, guys who are learning for attending these courses have to start implementing their learning. That's when they
Exactly.
will start seeing the results.
Exactly.
So, now what is your recommendation to anyone who's yet to decide to enroll for the course? Now, when you attended the introductory session with us,
Yes.
along with you, there are many other people who attended probably.
Mhm.
You decided
Mhm.
to enroll in the course. Some other
Yes.
people also decided. There are
Yes.
yet others who are yet to decide to enroll in the
Yeah.
course.
Okay.
What would be your recommendation to them?
Uh, I would say seeing is believing.
Right.
And the other thing is, I mean, I don't think, I mean, you charge much because I mean almost all your courses are close to 14,000, 17,000. I mean, less than 20,000 package.
Correct.
It's like
Correct.
you spend 1,000 rupees per month.
Yeah.
on an average.
Yeah.
And 1,000 rupees per month, if you break it down, still, I mean, it drops down to 30 rupees or very less per day.
Correct. Correct.
And you get a lot of value because, I mean, the package that you offer during the program, apart from the knowledge sharing that you give, that is also
Yeah.
worth, really worth. And
Correct.
the value addition that you give during the program, I mean, all the freebies and all the
Yeah.
templates and
Yeah.
all the softwares that you
Yeah.
give, that at least for that, I mean, you can pay and enroll into the course. Because
Thanks.
if you go out and buy, I mean, even the, I don't want to name because
Yeah.
we're not marketing
Correct.
for that.
Correct. Correct.
Even a normal editing software, I mean, that
Mm.
costs some 20-25,000.
Correct.
I've
Correct.
actually checked it online. So
Correct. Correct.
comprising everything, and if you get that along with the knowledge, the
Correct.
hand holding,
Mm.
and all the support that you give, definitely
Mm.
it's worth to invest that money, which will
True.
definitely move you to a different level.
Correct. And in fact, just for your information,
Mhm.
because of the current lockdown, we actually reduced the fee. I
Yes.
guess you would have paid around 17,000 to 20,000. Now we are hardly charging about, I think, 9,000 rupees to about 12, 13,000 rupees. That's it. The fee has been
Yes.
reduced by at least 40 to 50%. And this is the opportunity for people. Even this month, last month, people have enrolled. They are
Mhm.
currently undergoing the course. And as you rightly said, if people look at it this way, it's hardly about 1,000 rupees a month, which is about 30 rupees a day. And
Exactly.
I think you took 1 month time, 2 months, 3 months. How much time did you take to launch your course?
I attended in October, November.
Huh.
I had a lot of other scheduled programs, so I couldn't focus on that because, I mean, you also set a deadline that, I mean, if you have this done by, if the content is ready, I
Yeah.
can help you develop, design the website. That offer also you gave me. But
Correct.
I was very determined that I will decide my website.
Okay. Right.
And I really don't want to take help
Uh,
from you.
uh, uh,
So it took time, and I started recording my course only from January, December end and
okay.
January.
Okay. Okay.
December and in January, and January end and February, I
Mm.
gave it for free feedback,
Yeah.
probably
Yeah.
with my known contacts.
Yeah.
And mid of February and March, I mean, it was totally online.
So March you started
By
charging for it.
March, yes, from end of February and March, I mean, started charging for it.
Okay. So apart
Yes.
from the course fee you paid us, what
Mhm.
other expenses did you incur in creating course, putting up online? What is the total
Mhm.
expenses approximately? Just so that it
Approx-
gives an idea for other participants. Keeping
Approximately,
aside
I
the
mean,
course fee that you paid us to
yes.
attend our course, what are the other
Mhm.
expenses together?
Uh, I won't say, I mean, it is so much of expenses because initially I had a lower bandwidth internet which I had,
Mm,
and I actually wanted to go for a higher bandwidth because, I mean, the course upload, I mean, that took a longer time because the
mm,
bandwidth which I initially had was only 2 Mbps.
mm.
I actually shifted to a 40-50 Mbps bandwidth.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, where the course upload happens just like that. I mean,
Mm,
you
mm.
upload and it
Correct.
goes off. And I
Correct.
also felt that, I mean, in future, because I
Mm,
was following all your
mm, mm.
webinars, and then March was the time, and when everything was getting, because I was actually enrolled with empaneled with college, and I was
Mm.
doing the training program, and
Okay.
that also took a toll now. The
Mm,
training
mm.
program is half completed, and it's almost two
Right.
months now. I'm not
Right.
able to deliver the other half.
Mm,
Okay,
mm,
so that is
mm.
when I thought, I mean, let me go for a higher bandwidth. So that
Right.
was one investment, and
Mm,
it didn't cost much.
mm,
So
mm.
it
Now
was only
your
some.
hosting account together per year, what is the cost? Hosting
Yes,
space,
yes,
etc.
hosting space. Yeah, okay, okay. You're asking about that. Okay,
Obviously, that's also
yes,
expenses,
yes.
right?
Fine, fine. Yes, I mean, I didn't think about that because, I mean, I
Ah.
was having my website for quite a long time.
Ah.
So hosting space, I mean, that
Per
comes
year,
to around
approximately.
uh, 15,000. I mean, for all the hosting package and everything,
So per year,
15,000 per month.
15,000 for your hosting account.
15,000.
So you have put
Yes,
up your course videos there only on your
yes.
website,
I mean,
on your own
yes,
website, and
yes.
then any other cost for the animation software? Have you subscribed for any of them?
No,
Did you
no.
spend
I
money?
have not used the animation software as of now because it's only the recording, and I used all the options which are there in the editing software as of now.
Yeah. So editing
Okay, because, I
software,
mean,
you got it
yes,
for free. You have been using it.
yes, I'm using it,
So
and
which means,
yes, and
uh,
I use the normal animation in PowerPoint because I'm
okay,
well versed with
okay.
PowerPoint. I use the normal animation in PowerPoint, and if and all my students require some more animation,
Mm,
and the other tool which I use for my hardware networking, which is provided by the software developer,
mm,
that
mm.
has a lot of animations.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so I didn't actually go for that, but, I mean, when I go for the other program, I
Mm.
think, I mean, I have to go for that
Correct.
because, I mean,
Correct. Correct.
it may not have that much
Mm.
interaction.
Mm.
The hardware networking, the software itself has a lot of animation where one
Right.
packet goes
Right.
to the other
Right.
system. So I didn't require any other animation.
Right.
And even these students, they are focused on learning the concept,
Mm.
and they're not giving much importance to the animation
Right.
because they're
Understand.
technical students.
Correct.
If in case, I mean, if I have some other category of students, I mean, where they need to understand the concept only based on animations,
Mm.
I'll go for that. So that
Right.
the
Right.
cost is actually reduced now, but even though it's not much
Right.
compared to the
Right. Right.
revenue that I'll be going to
Mm.
generate,
Mm.
that's not going to be a big amount because
Correct.
I am. This has actually given me the empowerment because
I know.
initially I was in the thought that, I mean, do I have to spend this much, and
Mm.
will I be
Mm.
able to take it back?
Mm.
Now I have my resources. Resources sense,
Right.
I mean, now I have my money where
Mm.
I can spend it, and
Correct.
and I know definitely that will yield result.
Correct. Correct.
So
What about
I'm
the
really
recording
waiting.
tools? For recording, did you use any separate mic, camera, the
This
camera,
one, I
etc.?
mean, which is 150 rupees.
Okay. Oh, you use the same earphones for recording.
The
Wonderful.
same earphone, everything, nothing much. I believe my audio is very much audible to you.
Pretty
My voice
clear.
is very
Yeah.
much audible. Yes,
Yeah.
so that's
Yeah.
it. And I have my inbuilt camera in my laptop.
Right.
That's it, nothing else. And I believe the video quality is very good. And the
Obviously. Good enough. Yeah.
so nothing much. I mean, you have to spend. You
Mm.
just need your skill and talent. I mean, that you have gained for
Correct.
ages,
Correct.
and the courses and the tools that you provide along with the program,
Right.
that alone
Right.
is sufficient. And apart from that, to launch it online, you depend
Mm.
on you select the various options that you provided. Either
Right.
it's the hosting website
Yeah.
separately, or
Yeah.
probably
Yeah.
you decide on your hosting,
Mm. Mm. Mm.
depending upon the communication and the revenue that is
Correct.
generated.
Correct.
So that's about it.
Wonderful.
Get going.
Wonderful. Yeah. So, any final words that you wish to share with the viewers?
Yes, I came across this Warren Buffett statement long
Mm.
back. I mean, when I was in my first company,
Mm.
if you don't find an opportunity to make money while you sleep,
Mm.
you will end up working until you die.
Correct.
So I was thinking on ways and means to make money while I sleep, and
Okay.
I enrolled into all this AdSense and everything, and I used to post it on my WhatsApp status, send to
Uh,
people,
uh.
and indirectly I used to call them and say, please click on the ad.
Okay. Okay.
But that it used to be only a slight increase. I mean, one
I
day it
know.
would be $2, $3,
Mm. 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 Mm.
$5, and
Mm.
I thought I have to wait for years to get that $100 and then encash my money
Google AdSense. Yeah.
in Google AdSense. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
but I mean, this thing as I've told you, I used to
Mm.
check in the morning and night. Probably, I mean, once I wake up
Mm.
early in the morning, I used
Mm.
to go and check. I mean, if there is any change in my bank account, and definitely there has to be some 2 or 3 enrollments.
The course you are
And
talking about the course now.
the course
Yeah,
the
okay.
course
Okay.
online, I mean, if I've done, and I used to feel a sense of satisfaction that Warren Buffett, I'm into your club.
Right. Right. So middle of the night, some student enrolls in the course. Morning you wake up, check your account. You see 2-3 enrollments. So which
Yes,
means about 5,000 to 7,500 rupees would have come in that day.
in
Which
the
is
in the day,
wonderful.
yes.
Which is wonderful. Which is wonderful.
That too, and also another sense of feeling is, to be frank, I mean, I don't have any assets on my own. It's only my parents' assets, I mean, which I have. And
Mm.
now I feel that I have a wonderful asset which I can give to
Okay.
my children.
Wonderful. Okay.
Wonderful.
Good.
and
Good.
and normally what happens is, I mean, if I die, I mean, it happens to everyone. If I die, my earning comes to an end.
Correct.
Okay, but
Yeah.
I'm really confident that even if I die with my courses online, and if they take care of the maintenance part of renewing the hosting and making some changes, definitely my children, they would be reaping their benefit, and as long as the generation goes, definitely they would be getting the revenue out of whatever I've started now. So I really have a sense of satisfaction now,
Right.
and I really don't have that mental pressure of what will happen to me if I'm not
Around.
alive,
Okay.
around and alive. So that is one real
Right.
good satisfaction which I have now.
I know how it feels. I've been through that
Yes,
myself years back.
yes,
So wonderful, Tamim.
yes.
Congratulations again for this achievement. 2 lakh rupees in the first month of launching your course. and I know there are a lot of other big milestones you will achieve in the next couple of weeks.